What's good? What it do? KK coming through with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kayla, but my friends call me KK. Okay, so you guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of it's an off-brand GoPro basically. So I ordered this camera off of wish.com and it was 32 bucks. And yeah, so I mean, I just want to get into it and open it. And I mean, why waste any more time, right? So this is what it comes, you know, this is what it looks like when it comes in the mail with the information on it and all that stuff. So, get this thing open, why don't we? So, it took this thing about a week to get here. And if you have ever ordered off of Wish.com, you know that that's fast. Because Wish takes forever with certain things. But this only took 1 week to get here. So this is what it looks like in the, coming out the packaging, basically. Very well protected, bubble wrap. So it's in a, okay, so it comes in this little protective little case here. I like that. Carry it around with you wherever you go. You got your little I don't even know what to call this thing. I don't know what to call it. I will have the brand name of it in the description box, but I guess we just gonna call it an action camera. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so the part that just fell looks like a little mount. That's what it looks like. So let's get to the camera. Here we go, guys. Okay, so it has the little remote control that it comes with. So this is the actual camera. It's pretty tiny. It looks like it's inside of a case. It says 4K. I don't know if you guys can see that. 4K. And what else it say? 30 FPS. Not sure what that means, but trying to figure out how to take it out, take it apart. Here's the little plug it comes with, and it says it's 42 pieces, so it looks like most of it are the mounts. See some more little screws and stuff. Yeah, it just looks like a bunch of different mounts, like for your bike, your helmet, like if you're gonna go skateboarding, or if you wanna ride your bike with it, you can put it on your handlebars. See, it is called action camera. Okay, let's see the specs of this thing. Wide angle, it's wide angle lens, 170 degrees, Wi-Fi capabilities, 4K, waterproof, and HDMI. Okay, so I'm gonna work on trying to get this thing out of this shell, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's not in the shell. Another thumbnail, right? Oh, and I also want to give y'all a review to show y'all how it works. So stay tuned for that video. after this one because this is already about 15 minutes long. Okay, so I wish I could actually like compare it to an actual real GoPro with the name on it, but you guys, I for some reason feel like this is a GoPro without a name. Like, I really do think that. But I've never actually examined the GoPro or nothing like that. But next time I'm in the store, I will be doing my own little, you know, quick little examination. So while I work on getting this thing out of this shell casing, I'll be back to do my review part of the video. Okay, so hey again to all my friends. Glad you came out to play. No, can't you tell I'm a mom? But for real though. Okay, so I am back with this review for this No Cam, okay? This No Pro. How about that? That's what I'm gonna call this. A No Pro. Been a few days, probably a little longer than a few days, maybe like a week or so. And Keisha played around with it. She went outside. She played around with it in the snow. I was playing around with it today. And unfortunately, I don't have no footage that I could share with y'all because for some reason, well, you know what? Matter of fact, let me see. Well, I took the SD card out. But it shows it on the screen. I could see what we recorded and all that. I could see it all on the screen, but it won't upload to the computer, so that's a no-go. Wi-Fi capability, I could not figure out how to connect it to my phone. My phone did find the, it found the Wi-Fi for it, but it wouldn't connect. None of the apps work for this thing, none of them. The app that it says to connect it with, it don't work. It's supposed to, you're supposed to be able to, you know, use your phone as a screen also to operate this thing. Don't work. The quality on it, you guys, is not 4K. I was able to tell that because, see, it's iffy. There was like 1 or 2 clips that I did get to see on the computer and the quality wasn't 4K and it wasn't 1080p either. So, that's a lie. And yeah, what else does it say this thing does? I was really looking forward to this thing though. I really want it to work. I've already requested my refund from wish.com, so, you know, but I think that was pretty much all that it said it did. HDMI output, webcam function. It supports the memory card. It does that. But, yeah, as far as all the little things that it said it did, no, not, you know. So, that was my review, y'all, on my No Pro. So, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. If they want me to return it, I'm going to return it. But I know I had a problem with Wish one time, and they just gave me a refund. Well, it was one of the things I got from them was broken, and they just gave me a refund. But, so look, yeah, there's the screen, see it's on. But, and as you can see, that's not 1080p quality. But, yeah, so I don't know. Maybe it'll come in handy for something. Maybe not. But that's my review, you guys, on the off-brand GoPro from wish.com. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was informative to you. And until next time, always be you, stay true, and do what you do, baby. I'm out.